Hello, this is Ricky with On-Time Home Services. I'm here just gonna do a maintenance on this two heat pump units. Right now we're in the attic. We're gonna check out this air handlers systems. We're gonna check for the operations of the fan because it's just an air handler here, and check all the safety features. Make sure nothing's missing. Make sure everything's working. We're gonna check amperage. Gonna clean these units a little bit, and then we're gonna move outside to the condenser units. It's heat pump units, so there's no gas. And yeah, we'll get right to it.